Now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. First, we're gonna take the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, the cinnamon, and the sugar we're going to leave for the oil and egg. It mixes better. The brown sugar mixes better with oil and eggs and then integrate better to the mixture later on. So we're going to mix it good because we don't want to have any place where there is baking powder or baking soda not mixed, because it doesn't give a good taste when you chew it. I'm just mixing it up. Okay, there we go.